In this video, we're going to be using ChatGPT for writing scripts for movies. What we wanted to do is to write a short script for a movie that will be fun to film. It will cost less than $100 to film, and it should be no more than 5 minutes in length. So as you can see, it has provided us with the title, and it has given us some characters. Act 1, I would imagine there will be Act 2, of course. So this is pretty much an outline of what is going to be in this short story. Because we didn't specify ourselves what this story is going to be about, it decided to write about some boy that has lost his toy, apparently. But once it is finished, we can now ask to write the actual script. So we expect the output to be in the movie script format, and it should have some dialogues. It should have some settings, I would say. So the title is still the same, Lost and Found. As we can see, we have fade in. This is how all movie scripts begin. And we have the exterior park. So the action is taking place in the park during the day. So it tells us what we see. We have a boy called Timmy who is saying something. So, hi, Jerry, higher. And it is pretty quick to write it. And also, however generic it might appear at the first sight, it is pretty decent and self-containing story. As an improvement tip, you can ask it to lay out the content of the movie, let's say scene by scene, but we have this Act 1, Act 2, and Act 3, and ask specifically to sort of, can you write me Act 1, can you write me Act 2, and so on and so forth. That way you'll have more control over the script. Plus, you can always add your suggestions, what you want ChatGPT to write about.